Consuming edibles can be very satisfying. Throwing up or vomiting is not what anybody would prefer to do, no matter what the incentive may be. Vomiting can occur as a result of food poisoning, food allergies, overeating, overdose of alcohol, emotional stress, brain tumor, acid reflux, gallbladder disease, ingestion of toxins, drug reaction, and metabolic disturbances. By way of vomiting, the body forces out the contents inside the stomach through the mouth. Here are some natural home remedies to ease nausea and vomiting. Take a teaspoon of ginger juice and mix 1 teaspoon of lemon juice in it. And take this mixture to get relief. You can also chew a piece of raw ginger with or without honey. Ginger acts as a natural anti-emetic. Take a cup of white rice and boil it in 1 to 1.5 cup of water. When the rice is cooked, strain the solution and drink this rice water. It is extremely beneficial when dealing with gastritis. Boil a cup of water and take 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder in it. You can also steep a cinnamon stick in the solution. Drink this solution. This is particularly beneficial for kids. You can also sweeten it with a tablespoon of honey. Some tips to help you control vomiting. Take a light bland meal and eat slowly. Take some rest but do not sleep immediately after having a meal. And do not brush your teeth right after eating.
To explore more time-tested home remedies, check out our website at top10homeremedies.com. Know of other successful remedies? Share with us.